I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook shrimp with salted egg. This popular dish is known for its rich, savory, and slightly sweet flavor profile. To begin, ensure you have about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, cleaned and deveined. For the signature sauce, you'll need 4 to 6 salted egg yolks, a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. A 1/2 cup of heavy cream or evaporated milk, and a teaspoon of sugar will complete your sauce base. The heart of this dish is its luscious salted egg sauce. First, steam your salted egg yolks for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until they are firm. Once cooled slightly, mash them thoroughly into a fine paste. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a pan over low heat. Add your minced garlic, and if desired, a few curry leaves, sautéing them gently for about 1 minute until aromatic. Now let's prepare our shrimp. After cleaning and deveining about 1 pound of shrimp, pat them thoroughly dry. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy texture. Lightly coat each shrimp in about 1/4 cup of cornstarch or potato starch. Heat 2 cups of cooking oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then deep fry the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden orange and are perfectly cooked. Remove and set aside. For the grand finale, add your mashed salted egg yolks to the pan with the sautéed garlic and butter, stirring constantly. Pour in 1/2 cup of heavy cream or evaporated milk and 1 teaspoon of sugar, simmering for about 2 minutes until the sauce thickens and becomes wonderfully bubbly. Finally, add your perfectly fried shrimp to the pan, tossing them gently to ensure every piece is coated in the rich, creamy sauce. Serve this delightful dish immediately with hot rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.